Hello cat people! Welcome to the Catlady Christmas calendar, day 13. Today we are doing a body paint. As you probably know, I will devote my whole December at doing body paints Christmas themed. So for today, I decided to do an elf, a Christmas elf, a helper of a Santa Claus, mainly using Christmas colors, aka red and green and stuff like that, and I will resist to the temptation of using blue, which is my favorite color apparently. I thought it was pink, but yeah, no. Anyway, so if you're ready to see this, let's start! I have braided my hair in not a very good braid, to be honest, and I have taken this pencil right here. I don't remember what pencil is this. The only thing that I know is that it's super old, so I don't want to just throw it away. I want to give it a second chance, so that's why I'm just gonna use it to sketch the whole costume. And with this, let's do it! I have finished with sketching and now it's time for the colors. I'm gonna use my palette from Professional Makeup, and from this one I'm gonna use the red right here and the dark green, which is this color, and with green I'm gonna make this, I don't know, suit maybe, and with red I'm gonna do the color right here, and then I will finish with white for the dots, but this is for later. Now, let's start with the green. Now that we have finished with green, let's go to red right here. Now I will add the white to the dots here and there, and for this I'm gonna use from Eulenspiegel the Vice, which is the body paint that I'm using these days. Again, same procedure with water, and we are ready to use it. Okay, this is pretty much ready, and next step is to use two eyeshadows from this palette right here. It's Morphing collaboration with James Charles, and I will set the whole body paint with a green shadow. This one right here, this is called Daddy according to this, and this red right here for accordingly the red one, this is called You're Kidding, again according to this. So let's go! Now, with the black shade here, which is called Spooky, I'm gonna create some lines and maybe some very light shadowing. Okay, all the colors are here, the blacks are here, and now let's go to the sleeves. I'm planning to do a candy cane pattern, so first of all I'm gonna draw it, and then I will put red and white colors inside. And now I'm gonna add the same white and red color inside there to make them like candy canes. I finished with the sleeves and I have done some shadows, and now the thing that I'm gonna do is that I want to draw some snowflakes on the green part right here, and I'm gonna do this with NYX Epic Eyeliner in a white shade. Yeah, the name is literally white. So yeah, I'm gonna do this and I will come back for the fun part. And now let's add some magic in our lives, aka glitter. So I have my glitter glue here, it's from Paint Glow, and I'm gonna use a palette, the Glitched from Gypsy Shrine. Gypsy Shrine is not continuing selling makeup products, they're only focusing at hair dyes. And the other one glitter that I'm gonna use is from NYX, a red one. I'm gonna show you everything. Okay, so I have finished with the glitter. I have put this one from NYX. It's a red glitter Glee09, and I know it has a little bit of fallout, but it's totally fine because I can grab a fluffy brush like that and I can do whoop 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 at the places that I haven't put any glue, and it really doesn't stick, so it's totally fine. I have primed my face with this primer right here. This is from e.l.f., the putty primer. It's about to finish, so I really want to finish it so I can start using the other one. And then for the first time I tried the foundation from a Finnish brand which is called Lumene, and it's an oil control, it's matte, and it's a lot lighter of my skin as you can clearly see. But that's the ideal that I have in mind for e.l.f. to have this specific complexion. That's in my mind. You don't have to believe the same. It's totally fine. That's my imagination. And now I have primed my eyes with Prime Potion from Urban Decay. And now I will apply this red thing, putty blush again from e.l.f. because I want to give them a kinda reddish base. And then I will start creating the face makeup, which will be kinda unconventional and more elvish. Now I'm gonna use from BH Cosmetics the Miss Klaus, the Littlest palette, and I'm gonna use specifically this one right here, the Wino, and this one right here, the Velvet. And I'm gonna create an abstract shape, but a reddish shape. That's the general idea. At my eyes, not precisely where I have put the blush from e.l.f., but just around there, you will see. Now it's eyebrow time. I want them to be whiter, but slightly whiter. So I'm gonna use this jumbo pencil from NYX. It's about to finish, I know. I think the shade is called Milk, and I will just pass it through my brows to just give them a whiter tint. I changed my mind. I decided that I want my eyebrows green in order to match better with my body. So actually they have the white base, so everything's gonna be very easy. From this palette I'm gonna take the Grinch, which is right here, and I will just tap with a very flat brush and everything will be fine. Now I will highlight my under the eyebrow area and my inner corner with this shadow right here, the pinkish one, which is called Boogie. And I'm gonna take a tiny brush like this one. And the reason that I'm not choosing anything more white-ish is that I want to keep my whole face in a red direction and not white this time. Now using again from e.l.f. the Putty Blush, I'm gonna give an Elvis blush, and not only blush, shape anyway, to my face. And for that I'm gonna use the brush that I already used, this one. It's a very nice one. And then I will do some tap moves. With a clean face brush, I'm gonna blend everything in order to achieve the shape that I have in my mind. Okay, after I fixed some details, I'm gonna go to another fun part for me. I'm gonna take my white eyeliner and I will make some dots around my nose, here by the eyebrows, and a little bit on the cheeks. I know that I will deeply regret this choice because this is waterproof and when I'm using it I cannot really take it off my face, but I'm sacrificing for art right now. So, let's go! Now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So for today I obviously decided to tell you the word for elf. So in Greek we say xotiko. Xo-ti-ko. So as always I will ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word xotiko. I have to admit, adding all the freckles, should I say freckles? I don't know if they are freckles. Anyway, the dots, the white dots, it's so much fun. I really couldn't stop. I personally do not like freckles on my face specifically, but maybe I changed my mind after that. Like, the procedure is so much fun. Anyway, let's go to the lips, and for the lips I'm gonna use from Colourpop a very nice, whoa, wrong. Pencil right here, lip pencil. I think that this is the shade Jubilee. Yes, it's the Jubilee. And I'm gonna shape my lips, but not very carefully because a plot twist is coming. Now I'm taking a brush like this and I will try to blend the edges because I want an abstract shape and not a very strict one. So I decided to use these lashes from Essence, and they come with a very cute glue, but I have my own glue which I'm gonna use. I decided to use these because I want to add something more sparkly to this look and more fairy tale-ish. So I really appreciate the glitter that they have on. So I'm taking them. They are from Essence. Did I say that? I haven't tried Essence eyelashes in my life, so it's gonna be a review as well. And the last step for today's makeup is the lip gloss. Oh my god, these lashes are extremely inconvenient. Oh, I don't know, I'm not gonna keep them for long because they're uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. Like, it's natural they have a bunch of glitter, but still, I cannot even see. I have like a curtain in front of my eyes and it makes just everything so difficult. And also I had some issues while I was trying to glue them because they were huge, because they need to have the glitter, so I'm not very happy with these lashes. Anyways, let's go to the lip gloss. I'm gonna use from MUA the Glow series Pumping Lip Gloss. It's a clear gloss basically, a little bit on the pinkish side, but mainly clear. And I'm gonna apply only at the center of my lips. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you actually learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more body paints and videos and vlogmas in general. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you actually liked it. And write down in the comments what do you want to see next, what body paint, what type of makeup. Right people, right, it's always nice to communicate. Also, I have an Instagram page which is gonna be down here. Editor, I know what you are doing, don't put it here or there, it's gonna be down here. Anyway, so thank you so much for being here with me today. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye!